Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. I want to present my paper in the 7th International Conference on Industrial Mechanical and Electrical and Chemical Engineering. The title is Effect of Volume, Ball Diameter, and Milling Time through the ball mill process of Corncob. My name is Rusdi. The other author is Nurul Muttaqin, Baso Nasrullah, and Dermawan. We come from Polytechnic Negeri Ujung Pandang. The outline for this presentation is background, methodology, results, and discussion, conclusion, and reference. First, background. Corncob have only been used as cattle feed or industrial product that have not been reprocessed into some time that has high economic value. And then, in several studies, Corncob powder can be used in various fields. For instance, Corncob powder can be used as fiber, a basic material for making bioplastic, a substitute for some cement in the manufacture of concentrates, a sort of functional chemical, and many more functions of Corncob powder. Then the ball mill process has received tremendous attention for decades because it's effective in reducing material science. Ball mill is equipment that has important role in the production sector in the industry. Ball mills Ball mill is widely used by industry as a material milling, including cement, silicate products, refractory material, chemical fertilizer, glass, and ceramics. This ball mill is highly suitable for material with high hardness because the work of the ball mill is inserting the material continuously so that the material is ground until it becomes smooth. Next, methodology. First, we prepare the specimen of material, first collecting the Corncob, then with the washing process, next in the drying process, and the last cutting the Corncob. And then ball mill process. This is schematic of ball mill process. In the ball milling process, we have the milling time 30, 40, and 60 minutes. Working volume 20, 30, 50, until to 70%. The ball mill size is 10 millimeter and 20 millimeter. And then we have a mass size is 40, 14, 17, 70, and 140. In the result and discussion, we have 2 points to describe how about the result and discussion. The first, effect of milling time, working volume, the weight of Corncob. We can see the 4 different of mass size working volume. There are 2 figures after 10 minutes of milling time and 30 minutes of milling time. The above of graph describe how it can be stated the increasing working volume at 60 minutes of milling time makes the powder obtained with mass 14, 18, 70, and 140 also increase. So the other features explain the volume, working volume 15% is most efficient for milling time of 30 minutes. And then the second point is how the effect of ball size. We see the 2 variables. the two graph in this presentation, the how the way of Corncob for different of size are working. After 10 minutes of milling time using for 20 millimeter of ball size and 10 millimeter of ball size. This figure explain how the increase of the amount of working volume is directly proportional to increase in the size of the resultant folder according with respective size. And then we have some discussion is other study suggesting that combination ball mill and ultrasonic pre-treatment was a sufficient method to destroy the concrete structure. Conclusion. It can be concluded the result of Balmy revealed that the working volume of 50% produced most powder or mesh size 40, 80, 40, 18, 70, and 140 for 20 minutes of milling compared to working volume of 20, 30, and 70% is increased by collision speed, which obtained from the height of the fall. Indicate the 50% volume, the volume of fall height is greater than 70%. The next, the size of the milling ball external effects, the size of the powder produced. The effect of the milling ball size on resulting powder is conduct test with variation of 20 millimeter and 10 millimeter balls mill, where the milling result obtain the most powder at mesh size 40, 14 followed by 18 and 70 and 140. This is my reference, the words to reference the our favor. Thank you very much and see you next time. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.